Hi everyone, this is Mehthab 10 years old in grade 5. Today I'm going to show you a simple game which I have created. This game idea is based on Covid19 Corona Virus, a deadly one which has caused a panic and forced all of us to stay inside. Let's hope and pray everything comes back to normal very soon. This game can be made by any kids of my age. Scratch.mit.edu is an online platform for kids to learn basic programming. The web address is scratch.mit.edu. So let me show you the link to access. Go to your computer or laptop and open any web browser and type scratch.mit.edu in Google search. Here, this is the link. It shows you the link in the first, and then click it. This is the home page, and I already have an account created, and you can also check and learn from these icons here. Okay, now let me go to my game. This is the game environment, the stage, the scripts, the sounds, and the sprites, which are the game characters. The sprites which I have used in this game are bowl, the bowl, apple, win or lose, the COVID virus, bananas, fruit salad, cake, and a donut. My game is simple. You have a bowl to collect all the fruit and food items, and you get points after you collect each one as well. And if you collect the coronavirus which falls along with the food items, it will show you lose and the game will end. If you get 100 points, it will show that you win and the game will end. Okay, now let me play this game for you. Let's begin. We have to collect all these fruits falling from the sky, and also, I caught the COVID virus. You have to avoid catching the virus in this game. Oh no, this is tricky. Okay. You have to avoid catching the virus in this game, because if you catch it, it will show you lose and the game will end. But if you get all of the fruit and avoid catching this virus, it will show you win, and that's all. The game will also end like that. Okay, now we are almost close. You have to use the arrow keys to move this bowl. Okay, we are almost there to 100. Let's get to 100 and you'll see what will happen. Okay, we are 90, just 10 more, 6. Okay. And see, you got 100 points and it showed you win. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.